capture Luigi. All bosses, attack the main bunkers! Sonic the Hedgehog! Launch all bombers!
Yay, I'm Mexican.
You never mess with the Goomba Trooper! Never mess with the Goomba Trooper!
Stupid little.
Never mess with the Goomba Trooper! I knew! You little baby! Kill him! Wait. Hey, no, don't. You may have killed every single Goomba, but you may not kill me!
What the? I'm starting to throw you. You come at me and then I punch you away.
Okay, I got him. Okay. Your next mission. You must save Rancher. Why did you tell him that?
Yay, I'm free. Hey, take that, you stupid little Donkey Kong. To be continued. To be continued.